Number one by Mr. Bango from the Congo. All right, what are we learning today? So here's what we're learning today. Today you'll be diving into adding rational expressions, right? So, well, you're actually adding and subtracting, not only adding. All right, so be ready to take notes because it's going to be an interesting ride. All right, so this is how we're going to do it. When you're adding, remember how you do like 1 over 2 plus 3 over 2? If they have, let's just say that was 5. If they have the common denominator, then you just keep your life simple and then you just add the top, right? Then it'd be like 6 over here and then you get like 3 over 2. That's what we're doing here. Common denominator, x plus 3 and x plus 3, duh, they're already common, right? Because they're already common, you can just rewrite it as a denominator. My common denominator is x plus 3 because they are duh. All right, so then you just take the top. The first top is x plus the second top is 2x plus 4. Then you just add the top by repeating your denominator, your common denominator. So x plus 2x, you get 3x plus their 4, you're done. Because there's really not much you can do. If there are further things to do, then you continue your work from that, right? So check out this one right here. Common denominator, check. They're all the same. Because they're all the same, you just rewrite your common denominator. Then you just add the top. So it looks like we have x, the top first left top, minus right top. All right, now is where we kind of do, okay, is there any extra thing we can do here? Yes, there is. Here it is. This one right here, I can break it down. I can break it down to x plus 4 and x minus 4. That is just called the difference of squares. All right, so, and then I still have the x minus 4 on top. Then you can just cancel. Adios, adios. You with me? I can eliminate the common stuff like we did last week. Then you're down with this one as your final answer. Boom. There it is. Boom. All right, let's move on. Número 3. Número 3 says just find the least common denominator. They just want you to find the common denominator. They don't want you to do too much. All right, so now you start noticing that here's one, right? And here's the other one. Are they the same? No, they're not. So what do? Just rewrite it. Since they're not, you don't have to overthink this stuff. You just take them both. Let them join you. The common denominator is this. The common denominator is so nice and kind. We just welcome all of them. All right, so x plus 4 and x minus 4 will be the common denominator. That's it. I didn't ask you to solve. Just identify it. All right, number 4 says common denominator for those two. Well, I can break this one down. So I'm going to go to my side work here. This is my side work, right? Where I kind of do my side work over here. So I have x squared plus 5x plus 6, right? I'm looking for something that multiplies to 6, but the sum is 5. 3 and 2. Because 3 plus 2, you get 5. Therefore, you get x plus 3 and x plus 2. Got it. Now, ask yourself, where are my common denominators for this one? Where are my common? So x plus 2 and x plus 2, those are definitely common. So what you're going to start is by writing that, saying that is one of the common denominator, which is, well, what are the factors? And then where am I leftover? There is a leftover. This one doesn't have anything to be common with. Like I said, common denominator, we are so kind. We welcome everybody to the party. So x plus 3. That's it. That's the common denominator for that, right? So what about, let's do this one right here. So I'm going to need space for this. This right here, I'm going to need space. So I'm going to my side work right here. Let's go in red. Side work. All right, so I'm dealing with 3x squared plus 7x minus 6. Slide and divide. That should give you negative 18. I'm looking for the sum to be 7. 9 and 2. Yep, 9 and 2. But one of them got to be negative. How about 2? Boom, there it is. Boom, there it is. Because if you do 9 minus 2, you get 7. So adios, my friend. Boom. So you have x plus 9, and then you have x minus 2. All right. Where are my common? Boom, boom. Oh, I'm not done. So I did the mistake that you guys make all the time. Haha, Mr. K. So first, let me write it here: x plus 9 and x minus 2. Remember how you do slide and divide? So now you got to divide this 3, bring it down here, bring it down here. So that should be x plus 3. That should be 3x minus 2. There it is. So x plus 3 and 3x minus 2. All right, now my common denominator are, I have you and I have you. There, and then my leftover is this one. So final answer equals, the final answer equals the 3x minus 2 and the x plus 3, the leftover. That's it. So this is how you just find it, right? This is how you just get it. But now it's time to put all the stuff you just learned into work. So I'm gonna move this down a little bit. All right, so ready, set, let's do this thing. This is how we're gonna do this thing. I'm just gonna move up this way. All right, there you go. We're gonna do this thing this way. So I cannot find the common denominator yet because I need to work this out. So I need to rework this. 3x plus 9, I can do this. I can factor 3 out. It'll be like this, right? So this, adios, my friend, that is 3 parentheses x plus 9. All right. So, wait, why did I say 9? Sorry. Let's get rid of that 9. It is actually 3. All right, so where are my common denominators? X plus 3, x plus 3. Leftover. Well, here's a leftover right here. All right, like I said, the least common denominator is so nice. We don't really we just welcome everybody. So my common denominator is, what is it? I have the x plus 3 first, then I have the leftover 3. So the question is, what do we do next from here? From this point, here's what you're going to do. So you're just going to have to pay attention because I can lose you here, but I don't want to lose you, so you just stay with me. So first you ask yourself, I have an 8 right here, so I got to figure out what am I going to multiply with. So you see the common denominator, we're going to match it with the denominator from the 8. You see the 3, check, check. I'm not going to use. So you see the x plus 3, check, check. That means because everything checked, there's nothing you need to do with the 8. You just rewrite the 8. All right? Plus. Now, let's do the checking with the 2x. Do you have the x plus 3 here? Yes. Yes, I do. Check. But what I don't have the 3. So now you're going to have to do the 2x times this 3, the 2x times this 3. Because you have this, but you don't have the 3, so you multiply. All right, let's continue. If you didn't get that, don't worry. We have more practice. All right, so you have x on top. If you multiply this, you get 6x at the bottom. And then you still have your 3x plus 3. All right, at the top, you can still kind of factor at the top. Right? What do you think we're going to factor out? Factor out the 2 out of that. So it'll be like this, 4 plus 3x. Then you still have your 3x plus 3 at the bottom. There's really not much you can continue here. We're done. All right. There you go. We're getting better at this. All right. So with this, I'm going to go do my side work over here. I need to fix this and fix this. So x squared plus 5x plus 6, 6 got to be in the middle. The sum of 5, I can think about 3 and 2 because if you add them up, you get that. So adios, or adios. So now this is x plus 3, x plus 2. All right, what about the other one? What would that be? All right, let's start work over here. Oh, 4. So multiply the 4, but the sum has to be 4. I can think of x plus 2 and x plus 2. Got it. X plus 2, x plus 2. All right, so now, what will be my common denominator? Look for the common. Do I have x plus 2? I do. All right, take your leftovers. Where are they? Because we do not, like, common denominator is so kind. It just takes everybody. First, since you have a common, you write it first. It's the x plus 2. Then you bring the one I box right here, the leftovers. Right? All right, now, this is the part where I want you to pay attention. It goes like this. So you see how we have the x right here, right? I got to figure out what I need to multiply it with. So first, do I have, so you see this x plus 3, do I have it here? Like check, check, we good. What about the x plus 2? Check, check, we good. I'm left with this one, so I'm going to do x times that. All right, this x times that. All right, minus. You see this 2 right here, I got to figure out what I'm going to multiply it to. Ready, set, go. Let's check. You see this x plus 2, check. Then I had to look for it at the bottom. It's right here, check. Is another this x plus 2, look for it at the bottom, check. Then I'm left with this one. That's the one I'm going to multiply it with. All right, let's continue this thing. So now you do x times this, you get x squared. X times this, you get plus 2x. Minus negative 2 times this, you get negative 2x. Negative 2 times 3, you get minus 6. And you still have your whole denominator. Okay. Should we continue at the top? Absolutely. It looks like these can cancel. Yep. You left with x squared minus 6 over the whole shebang, which is x plus 2, x plus 3, x plus 2.